up, nerds? Welcome back to the ABCs of OSS, where we're breaking down the world of open source software one letter at a time. I'm Taylor, and today we're diving into C, for compliance. Yeah, I know, try to contain your excitement. Look, nobody gets into coding because they're passionate about compliance, but here's the thing, if you're building anything serious, you need to understand this stuff. I'm talking licenses, regulations, security standards, all the things that keep your legal team employed and satisfied. Let's break down what we're dealing with here. First up, licenses. Every piece of open source code you use comes with strings attached. MIT license? Pretty much do whatever you want. Just keep the copyright notice. GPL? That's a whole different game. Your code needs to be open source too. Apache? Somewhere in between. Getting these wrong isn't just a whoops moment, it's a potential lawsuit waiting to happen. Now here's where it gets spicy. Regulations. If you're in healthcare, finance, or dealing with user data, which, let's be real, is pretty much everybody these days, you're playing in the big leagues with GDPR, SOC 2, PCI, FedRAMP. These aren't just fancy acronyms, they're serious requirements with serious consequences if you mess it up. Want to hear something that keeps security teams up at night? Dependencies. Your project probably has hundreds of them, each with its own license and potential compliance issues. One outdated package, one security vulnerability, and suddenly you're explaining to your executives why your app isn't GDPR compliant anymore. Here's what I see teams getting wrong all the time. They treat compliance like it's optional until it isn't. They're running production systems with end-of-life frameworks, using packages with conflicting licenses, or straight up ignoring security updates because it still works. Spoiler alert, that's a terrible strategy. So how do you not mess this up? First, you get yourself some decent software composition analysis tools. They'll scan your dependencies and tell you what's outdated, what's vulnerable, and what might land you in legal hot water. And for the love of all things holy, keep your dependencies updated. Yes, it's a pain. Yes, it takes time, but it's better than explaining to your CEO why you're getting sued over a license violation. Remember, compliance isn't just some checkbox for the suite upstairs. It's about building stuff that people can actually trust and use in the real world. Plus, it keeps you employed, which is always a nice bonus. That's our third letter in the ABCs of OSS. Next time, we're talking D for documentation, because apparently commenting your code with "good luck, future me" isn't considered best practice. Until then, keep your code clean and your dependencies updated. Peace out.